How to attract guys in college. Attracting young men can be a challenging task for many women. While every man is different and may have unique preferences, there are a few universal tips that can help you attract young men. Here are some of the best ways to attract young men. Be confident. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. Men are attracted to women who are sure of themselves and their abilities. Show that you are comfortable in your own skin and have a positive attitude. Dress well. Dressing well is another important aspect of attracting young men. It's important to dress in a way that flatters your body and makes you feel good. This doesn't mean you have to dress in revealing clothes or wear a lot of makeup. Instead, focus on wearing outfits that highlight your best features. Stay fit. Physical fitness is important for attracting young men. Exercise regularly to stay in shape and maintain a healthy weight. This will not only improve your physical appearance but also boost your confidence. Show interest in his interests. Men appreciate women who take an interest in their hobbies and interests. If he likes sports, for example, try to learn more about his favorite team or sport. This will show that you care about him and are willing to make an effort to understand his interests. Be independent. Young men are attracted to women who are independent and have their own interests and goals. Don't be afraid to pursue your own passions and hobbies, even if they don't align with his interests. This will make you more interesting and attractive to him. Be a good listener. Men also appreciate women who are good listeners. Listen attentively to what he has to say and show genuine interest in his life. This will help build a connection between you and make him feel valued. Have a sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor is another important aspect of attracting young men. Men appreciate women who can make them laugh and don't take themselves too seriously. This doesn't mean you have to be a comedian, but it's important to be able to find humor in everyday situations. In conclusion, attracting young men is all about being confident, dressing well, staying fit, showing interest in his interests, being independent, being a good listener, and having a sense of humor. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of attracting the right kind of attention from young men. Remember, be true to yourself, and don't try to be someone you're not. The right person will appreciate you for who you are.